Welcome to MathZip. This video I am going to start from number 2 of ratio and percentage. Please note that we already completed number 1 earlier videos. So this is done and we are starting number 2. Let's start it. So here our target to make this percentage to fraction and decimal. How we can do it? Number A, 45 percentage. We know percentage it means 1 by 100. So 5% it means 5 by 100, right? So this case we can write 45 by 100, and this is what? This is fraction. Here is fraction, but we have to make it simplification format. Like we can divide this 45 by 5, so we will get 9, and once we divide this 100 by 5 we will get 20. So our answer is 9 by 20. This is fraction. Okay, fraction. So how about decimals? So once we divide 9 by 20 we will get decimal. So you can use calculator. So that case you will get 0.45. But if you are not allowed to using calculator, that time you need to divide this 9 by 20. So 9 is not possible, so you should use a decimal. So here is 0. 4 times 20 is 80, and here is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1, so we can use a 0. So 5 times 20 is 100. So our answer will be 0.45. So this is our decimal answer. Okay, so number A done. Number B, 12 1 by 2 percentage. Please note that this is a mixed fraction. First we have to make this improper fraction. So 12 times 2 is a 24. 24 plus 1 is a 25. Divide 2. Here percentage. Now we will convert this one to what? First fractions. So if you are not want to use this percentage, you can write here 25 by 2 times, against percentage we know this is 1 by 100. So 1 by 100. Alright, so this 100 we can divide by 25. So here is a 1 and here is what? 4, right? 4 times 24 is 100. So here is 1 divide 8. This is our fraction part. Fraction. Okay, now we will convert to decimal. How? So we can use calculator. 1 divide 8, it will be 0.125. 0.125. But if you are not allowed to use calculator in rough side, you need to show how you find out the value. So this one also I am trying to show you, but next one you should try. Okay, so 1 is not possible, you can use a decimal. Here is 0 1 8 2, not possible, so you can take 1 0. So here now possible. 2 times 8 is 16, then 20 minus 16 is a 4, so you can use a 0, and 8 times 5 is a 40. Okay, so our answer is 0.125. This is decimal part and this is fraction part. So number A and B done. Number C, 37 1 by 2 percentage. So first our target to make this one improper fraction. 37 times 2 is a 74, plus 1 is 75, divide 2 times, against this one we can use 1 by 100. Now this one become fraction. So not now what? This is percentage. Okay, so now we can divide this one by 5. So we know first 75 divided 5 is a what? Is a 15, and here is 20. So till we can divide this 15 by 5, so here is 3, and once we divide 20 by 5 we will get 4. So here is 3 by 2 times 4 is 8. This is our what? This is our fraction. This is fraction. Now we will convert this one to what? Decimal. So 3 divide 8, we can use calculator. 3 divide 8, it will be 0.375. 0.375, and this is decimal. Okay, so number C done. Now number D, 11 1 by 4, we can write in here. Number D, 11 and then 1 by 4 percentage. So this one first we have to convert to improper fraction because this is mixed fraction. So 11 times 4 is a 44, plus 1 is a 45, divide 4. Against this percentage we can use 1 by 100. Now look, we can divide 45 and 100 by 5. So 100 divide 5 is a 20 and 45 divide 5 is a 9, right? So this one become 9 by 4 times 20 is a 80, and this is our what? Fraction. And once we divide 9 by 80, so we can use calculator. 9 divide 80, we will get 0.1125. 0.1125, and this is our decimal part. So number 2 done. Number 3 is very important, and usually we will face these kinds of math in the examination hall. Calculate the followings. So number A, 5%, here is, it should be off. 5% of 125, right? So against 5% we can write 5 by 100, and then of 125. Look, 125 and here is 5 by 100, and we also know that of usually work as a multiplication. Okay, so this case 125 is a numerator and 100 is denominator. So we can divide this one by 5. So 100 divide 5 is a 20, and 125 divide 5 is 25. Till we can divide. So 20 divide 5 is a 4, and 25 divide 5 is a 5, right? So what will be the answer? Here is 5 times 5 is a 25, divide 4. It means here is 25 by 4. So this is improper fraction, but we will not make this one as an improper fraction. We have to make this one mixed fraction. So 6 1 by 4, right? Because 4 times 6 is a 24, plus 1 is a 25. This one is one thing. Okay, and another thing, if you have ability to use calculator, so you can make this one fraction. So 25 by 4 is 6.25. 6.25. It's a decimal format. So you should ask your teacher which format you have to write. Is it fraction or decimal? Okay, so number A done. Number B, 9% of 225. So against 9% we can write 9 by 100, right? Of here 225. So against 225 we can write, look, we can divide this one by what? We can divide this one by 5. So 225 divide 5 is 45, and 100 divide 5 is a 20. So till we can divide by 5. 45 divide 5 is a 9, and 20 divide 5 is a 4. Okay, so here is 9 times 9 is a 81, divide 4. This is an improper fraction. So we can make this one like 21 by 4. Once you divide, you will get this mixed fraction. Okay, so this is a what? Fraction mode. But you can make this one as a decimal. How? 81 divide 4 is 20.25. This is a decimal mode. Okay, number A and B done. But you should ask your teacher what will be the answer. Is it fraction mode or decimal mode? Number C, here is 6% of 6 kg. So it's a similar thing. Number C, we can write 6% of 6 kg. Right? So 6% of 6 kg, 6% we can write 6 by 100 of 6 kg. So look, we can divide this one like 2. So 100 divide 2 is a 50 and 6 divide 2 is a 3. Similar, 6 divide 2 is a 3 and 50 divide 2 is a 25. Right? So we can write 3 times 3 is a 9 by 25. This is a fraction mode. So what about decimal? 9 divide 25 will be decimal. It means 0.36 kg. Okay, so number C done. Number D, 40% of 200 centimeter. So what will be the answer? 40% of 200 centimeter. So we can write in here number D, 40% of 200 centimeter. So as usual, 40% means 40 by 100 of 200, right? So 200 we can divide by 100, so it will be 1 here and here is 2. So 40 times 2 is a 80. So this 80 centimeter is 40% of 200 centimeter. Very simple. So question 3 done. So till we have completed number 1, 2 and 3, and this video I will complete. So number 2 done, number 3 done, and also this video I am trying to solve this number 4 also. Number 4, here is 2 question. First one, what is the percentage of 20 taka of 80 taka? Okay, so look, let's say this is 80 taka. Okay, so here is 20, here is 20, here is 20. So this is, what is the percentage of this 20 taka? So this kinds of math we can follow a rules. This is 4a. We use the formula, like we have to find out the percentage, right? So percentage equals to part divide whole times 100 divide 100. But why we use this 100 by 100? Because 100 by 100, it's once you divide it will become 1. So part by whole, it's a similar thing. It means 20 divide 80. So here part is 20 and 80 is a what? Whole times 100 by 100. Now look, this 20 divide 80, it means here is 1, 20 divide 20 is a 1 and 80 divide 20 is a 4. So 1 by 4, it means 0.25. Now look, times this 100 here, 100 times, so this one we can write 1 by 100. So 100 divide 100, it will become 1. So that's why we are using 100 by 100. Now it's interesting thing, once we multiply 0.25 times 100, it will be 25, and against this 100 we will get percentage. Very simple. So number A done. What about number B? Number B, what is the percentage of 75 of taka 120. So similar thing, we are writing percentage equals to, here is part and here is whole, times 100 by 100. Okay, so 75 and 120. So part is 75 and whole is 120 times 100 and 100. So what will be the answer? We can divide this one by 5. So 75 by 5 is 15 and 120, 100 by 5 is 20. So here is what? 20. So it will become more 24, right? So 15 by 24. Now what next? Next, here is 120 divide 5 is a 1, and here is also 100 and here is 15. So this one also, look, we can divide by 3. How? 24 divide 3 is 8 and 15 divide 3 is 5. Okay, so till we can divide this one. How? So 8 divide 4 is 2 and 100 divide 4 is 25. Now 5 times 25 divide 2. So what will be the answer? So first 25 times 5, it will be 125, divide 2, it will be 62.5. So 62.5, and against this 1 by 100 we can use percentage. So our answer is 62.5%. So this video I am trying to solve 3 math of exercise 2.2 class 6 ratio and percentage chapter. So ultimately we are completing number 4. Next video we will start 5 and try to solve at least 3 to 4 math. So no more today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel MathZip, and from now I will try to make solution of these kinds of math regularly. Thank you, and please inform your friend or relative to subscribe my channel. Thank you.